Hello, in this video we will be learning English basic phrases and conversation for beginners. Let's go to start. Lesson 1. Where are you from?
Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I am good. How are you?
Good. Do you speak English?
A little. Are you American?
Yes,
Where are you from?
I am from California.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Lesson 2. What's your name?
Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's your name?
Oh,
You speak English very well.
thank you.
Do you know what time is it?
Sure, it's 5 past 10 p.m.
What did you say?
Said it's 5 past 10 p.m.
Thanks.
You are welcome.
Lesson 3. Do you speak English?
Excuse me, are you American?
No.
Do you speak English?
Little, but not very well.
How long have you been here?
3 months.
What do you do for living?
I am a YouTuber. What about you? I am a YouTuber too. Lesson 4. Introducing a friend.
Rogue, this is my friend, Mrs. Sarah.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Mrs. Sarah, what do you do for living?
I am a doctor.
Oh, where do you work?
New York University Hospital in New York City. What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Do you teach?
I teach English
Where?
at high school in California.
That's nice. How old are you?
I'm 35-year-old. Lesson 5. Common questions.
Rob, do you know how to speak English?
Yes,
Where did you learn?
I learn in college.
You speak really well.
Thank you.
How long have you been in the US?
3 weeks.
Have you been to California
I
before?
have never been here.
You ever been to Las Vegas?
Yes, I went there.